This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we're going to be working on a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, looking at the LED light module. So when you open up, you may notice that these LED lights are no longer as bright as they were, and it could be that you see maybe instead of having 8 bulbs, 4 on this side, 4 on this side, you might see that one of them is out. So in this kind of refrigerator, if one of them goes out, it'll be a little bit dimmer, but you'll also notice that the ones that are still working are not as bright as they were, because it's all put into a series. So it's important to replace the LED light module, and you can do it a couple of ways. You can get the circuit board for this side that has the LEDs and one for this side that has the LEDs, or you can just get this whole component. So the way on this one that you get it out is by pressing in on a tab in the back here. Some of these will have a Phillips screw that you can remove. This one has a tab. I'm going to push it this way. I have a standard head screwdriver. So if this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. Pry that back. And then I also was pulling down, so I was prying that back, pulling that down. Now the lens will come toward the back of the fridge. Get that off. And then to get this module off, using a standard head screwdriver, definitely want to have the machine unplugged. I'm just doing this with it plugged in so that you can just see a little bit better. But I'm going to put the screwdriver in and push with the top of the screwdriver that way to push on a tab as I pull down. I'm grabbing right here. So what happens is the screwdriver comes up in that hole, and then it pushes back on this piece enough so that it can let go from the top. So the way this goes in is the back feet go in here first when you want to put it back, push up, and that clip goes up in there, and that clip goes up in there. You also have a couple here in the front. So the other idea is if you just put something in here and wedge down, it'll come out also. So if you want to replace this, you just disconnect the power coming into it. And then this is a temperature sensor. You can just pry up on that. That'll come out. And you have this module. Close this. And this is all wired in a series, so if one of these goes out, it's kind of like a Christmas bulbs, then they can all have problems. So this one is part number, we're going to read this okay, W11387579. I'll give you this whole module. There's a lot of these online. A lot of these are Chinese knockoffs where these may not last very long. So it might be better to get just the Whirlpool part, which could be a bit pricey. We'll put in the description below how to get it. It's called the LED module, part number W11387579. And it is possible, and a lot less expensive, instead of buying the whole thing, you buy this one and this one. They come wired together, and I think board just pops in, but these might be like heated, like melted to hold it in, so that might be tricky to get that off. But again, this probably isn't crazy expensive. So now when you get to your new part to put it in, on this model, we won't need a Phillips head screwdriver, we just need to kind of pop it in. So we're going to just put this temperature sensor back in. So just see, you could slide it in. I think it's better just to push it in so it clips in. Just push down, locks it in. And then this one, we just hook it back in, and we'll get the lights coming back. Here's the lights. We're going to push the feet in the back up into these holes like that, and then when we lift this in, we're going to make sure this is pushed over so it's not going to get bound up right here. Push toward the center, push up, and then it'll lock into place. Clicks in. And then this one, we'll put these tabs into the front first, right? And then we're going to push up the back, locks in, and you'll have a nice bright light again. So hopefully that'll help you guys, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.